The anticipation surrounding the Nikon Z7 III has reached a fever pitch among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. As Nikon continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the Z7 III emerges as a testament to the company's commitment to excellence in the mirrorless camera segment. Advanced connectivity. One of the standout features of the Z7 III is its advanced connectivity options. The camera boasts support for high-speed wireless communication, ensuring seamless transfer of high-resolution images and videos. This enhancement caters to the needs of modern photographers who require efficient workflows and quick sharing capabilities. Sensor technology. At the heart of the Z7 III lies a cutting-edge sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. While specific details remain under wraps, the sensor is expected to offer high-resolution imaging with improved low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy. This advancement positions the Z7 III as a formidable competitor in the full-frame mirrorless camera market. Autofocus system. Nikon has equipped the Z7 III with an advanced autofocus system designed to meet the demands of fast-paced shooting environments. The system is expected to feature a high number of focus points, ensuring precise and rapid subject tracking. This enhancement is particularly beneficial for wildlife and sports photographers who require quick and accurate focusing capabilities. In-body image stabilization. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Z7 III is anticipated to feature an enhanced in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system. This improvement aims to provide greater compensation for camera shake, allowing photographers to capture sharp images even in challenging shooting conditions. Processing power. Under the hood, the Z7 III is expected to house a powerful image processor that enhances overall camera performance. This includes faster image processing speeds, improved noise reduction, and the ability to handle high-resolution files with ease. The advanced processing capabilities ensure that photographers can capture and process images efficiently. Continuous shooting speed. For action-oriented photography, the Z7 III is rumored to offer impressive continuous shooting speeds. This feature enables photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with precision, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. Video capabilities. The Z7 III is set to elevate video recording standards with its advanced video capabilities. The camera is expected to support high-resolution video recording, offering filmmakers and content creators the tools they need to produce professional quality videos. Enhanced heat management ensures that the camera can handle extended recording sessions without performance degradation. Design and build. Nikon has designed the Z7 III with durability and ergonomics in mind. The camera is expected to feature a robust build quality that can withstand challenging shooting environments. Additionally, the design is anticipated to offer improved handling, ensuring comfort during extended shooting sessions. Pricing and availability. While official pricing details have yet to be announced, the Z7 III is expected to be positioned competitively within the market. Nikon's strategic pricing aims to offer photographers a high-performance camera that delivers exceptional value. Conclusion. The Nikon Z7 III represents a significant leap forward in mirrorless camera technology. With its advanced features and enhancements, it caters to the evolving needs of photographers and videographers. As Nikon continues to innovate, the Z7 III stands as a testament to the company's dedication to providing cutting-edge tools for visual storytelling.